Namaste everyone. Welcome to Sarvottam Diksha. I'm starting important must do practice questions from number systems. It will be good help for most of you who are having test in July. So let me do this question, and this question will be your assignment. Whatever answer you're getting, you can write in comment box. Now here I have to find value of A and B. So definitely I have to simplify my LHS. Root 2 minus root 5. So here I have to rationalize the denominator. To rationalize it, we know this is a plus b form. I will multiply it with a minus b upon a minus b. Here my a minus b is root 2 minus root 5, root 2 minus root 5. We know that this term, if I see, is nothing but 1. Many students ask me, ma'am, why we are multiplying, how we are multiplying. So basically, I am not changing the original thing given to me. I am just multiplying it with 1 in such a way that my denominator will become root free, which we call rationalization. Now here I can apply in denominator formula of a plus b into a minus b. I know that it's a square plus minus b square, a square minus b square. So if I am doing a square minus b square, my root will go off. Now see what happens in numerator. I have root 2 minus root 5 whole square. And I will apply which formula? I will apply a minus b whole square formula. Now please see why only a square minus b square formula works in denominator. Here I will be using the formula which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. See now because of this 2ab, I have got roots in expression. In denominator is 2 minus 5 and which is not having any roots. So here what is my end answer for numerator? It is 2 plus 5 minus 2 root 10 upon minus 3. Now if I solve it further, what I am getting? I am getting 7 7 minus 7 minus 2 root 10. Now thing is, I have to find value of what? Minus 3. Also tell me one thing. If I'm adding 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2, I write this as 1 plus 3 by 2. Generally, we go from here to here. If denominators are same, we combine the denominator and we add numerator. But here I will do ulta. So it is nothing but minus 7 by 3 minus minus plus, or let me write, I think it is clear, but still let me write for you this way, plus minus 2 root 10 minus 3. So which is nothing but minus 7 by 3 plus 2 by 3 root 10. Now compare with the original thing. Was my equation? My equation was to find the value of a plus b root 10, and I have to find the value of a and b. Now compare it with this box. Here my constant term is a and here my constant is minus 7 by 3. So a is nothing but minus 7 by 3. And my coefficient of root 10, just see here, I know it is little, let me magnify it so that it becomes clear. My coefficient of root 10 is b, and here coefficient of root 10 is 2 by 3. So my answer for b, the value of b is nothing but 2 by 3. So this is how I will solve it. We have seen how to do rationalization, how a minus b whole square works with roots, how a square minus b square work with roots. I hope it has cleared many of your doubts. If you are still living in doubt, please write in comment box and do the blue box question here as your homework, as your assignment, and write the answers in comment box. Bye bye.